Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have a bunch of friend mail. There's one package. There's another package. And there is a third package. And these are all from a subscriber named Janet. And this is just, my goodness, Janet, thank you so much. I'm just excited to see what she sent me. I did get a card in the mail also from her. I got a card that I did post the other day that was a Christmas card. And I believe this is a birthday card. It says, because it says happy birthday on it, it says Sunday Chills, you take the cake, some cute stickers on there. And there's some cute stickers on the front as well. Let me cover up her address. It says, yay, it's your birthday and celebrate and happy birthday. Thank you so much, Janet. That's so sweet of you. So let's see what the card says. It's super cute. Oh, birthday wishes. And Janet put some of those stickers on the balloons. Isn't that pretty? It's so bright and cheery. You know, in winter, it's nice to get a bright and cheery birthday card, y'all. So this says, Mary, wishing you a beautiful day filled with all the things that bring you joy. Love, Janet. It says, happy birthday. I am thankful that you were born on this day. You just bless so many, and I'm sure the Lord watches you and just smiles. Love you. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, it says, may he grant you your heart's desires and fulfill all your plans. Psalm 24. That's so nice, Janet. Thank you so much. Janet is so super duper kind. Y'all, I have cut these things open. Now, a couple of packages I've had for a few days, but I've had other things I've had to film. So to try, you know, to keep up with advents and all that, everything. So, and then today I got this package. So this package, this is really cool. This is from Amazon, and it has an advertisement about a car on it. Plant a tree, courtesy of Honda. And it's, I've never seen, well, I shouldn't say I've never, I think I've started to see advertisements on the boxes. I think that's really cool. So let's see, this has some stuffing, you know, some of this bubble stuff in here. And let's see what's in here. Let me put that down. There is, the reason I know it's from Janet, because they put these little slips in your packages. Although sometimes they do forget. Oh, this one says, Merry Christmas, Mary, from Just Janet. And this is it. It's beautiful. Let me show it to you. Look at this beautiful box, y'all. It's a mug. And how pretty is this box? It's very Christmassy looking. So let's open it and see. You know, I love my, especially when I'm off and I can stay at home in the morning and just have a nice cappuccino or a latte. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. I love the shape of it. You know, it's not just your standard mug. It's got some personality to it. I love it. May he give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. Psalm 24. That's beautiful, Janet. Thank you. This is so beautiful, y'all. Now, I don't know if you can tell because it's, and you know, sometimes it's hard for me to tell too. I think the background is a navy blue. It could be black. It is hard to tell, but it has a, ooh, smudge. Are you okay, Lovey? Hit his head on the cup. It has these beautiful aqua flowers and gold. Can you see the gold on there too? And then there's the scripture, and the inside is a nice glazed. And see, that looks like a dark, you know, like almost like a teal, but dark, like darker than my shirt, but this kind of a deep color. Okay, Smudge, you're gonna have to sit down or something. Can you? I don't know. Yeah, see, it sort of looks black, but I think it's not. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's gorgeous. I love it. Thank you, Janet. That's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love a nice mug that has a great handle. Okay, Smudge, what are you going to do? All right, we'll get this one under. He's on top of the big, oh my. All right, just don't break anything. This one is flat, so I was able to pull it out from under him. This one's flat. And I did see, I tried to, yes, here, okay. Here is the little, wait, there's one. There's usually two little slips in there. I'm trying not to look. It's hard not to look when, okay, it says, well, this one says birthday, but it doesn't say from Janet, but she told me to expect, oh, here it is. Here it is. It says, happy birthday, Mary, from Janet. And she does have her last name on there, but I don't know. She uses her last name on Instagram, but I don't know how much she says it on YouTube because she just has the name Janet, so I don't want to say it. Okay, Smudge. Y'all. Anyway, this is it. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Oh my. This is Hazel and Cream Sweet Confections. Happy birthday to you. Look at that beautiful box, y'all. You know, I think this is one of the boxes that I demonstrated, y'all. I don't have the name right in front of me, and I don't think it's going to be on here because this is one of the brands. Janet must have been looking at that, their stuff. It's the zine, I can't remember the name, but I'll put the video in the description if you want to see it, because they make the most gorgeous boxes. But when you show one of these fabulous boxes, then you get to eat what's inside. So this, and some of the boxes, you know, have jewelry and stuff in it too, but these are Hazel and Cream Sweet Confections Birthday Cookies, it says. Hazel and Cream Happy Birthday Gourmet Cookies. Enjoy the crunch. So let me open it up if I can, and we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to use that because that might help me. It has a nice plastic around the whole thing. And this is one of those, you know, those beautiful boxes that are like a keepsake box. And I'll have to break the Happy Birthday banner to open it. So here's what it looks like. Hazel and cream, like creme, C-R-E-M-E. Ooh, okay. Oops, uh-oh, it's crumbly. Ooh, these are cookies. I think I already knew that part, but look at how pretty they are, y'all. Can you see them? Oh, wow. Let me see, I'll break one open to show you. So it's a chocolate cover. There's some peanut butter. They're all decorated differently on top. Some have nuts, some have cranberries, some have little sugary things, and they look like they're Oreos. So let me see if I can break one. I might just take a bite. It's an Oreo. Or something like an Oreo. That's good. Rich. Oh my, delicious. Janet, thank you so much. Thank you so much. There's a lot of crumbs here, but I'll get that cleaned up. They're rich and delicious. Thank you, Janet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. And then there's this package, y'all. This package here. And oh my goodness, I got that all over me, sorry. And here are the little slips. It says, Happy Birthday, Mary, from Janet. Thank you so much, Janet. This is so sweet of you. So sweet of you. And this is, it says, Happy Birthday. Look at this pretty box. Janet finds the cutest things, y'all. Very, very cute. Let's open a little bit. Do you know that if you say, do you guys have, I'm going to mess this up now. Okay, all right, let me think about what I'm trying to say. Do you have Alexa at home? I do. She hears me talking to her. When I come home, if I have a package from Amazon, it's just, I've got one of those little dot things. I got it like for $17.99, you know, a couple of years ago on the Black Friday. If it's, the light around it is flashing, you're supposed to say, Alexa, what is the notification? Alexa, what is the notification? She'll answer and she'll say, a package has been delivered. And this time of year, they don't tell you what the package is, which, you know, to protect you if you're getting a gift. But then they'll say, would you like to thank your delivery driver? And I say yes, because I don't know how true this is, but I saw on Instagram, if you say yes, they will give your delivery driver from Amazon, they will give them a $5 gift card from Amazon. So say yes, y'all, for your delivery people. We need to thank our delivery people. They do, this time of year is horrible for them. So anyway, let's see what we got. Ooh, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's fabulous. What happened was this lid fell off, okay? It looks like a jar of, you know, something. It is a candle, and it smells like birthday cake. It says, Happy Birthday, infused with love and celebration, handcrafted in Miami Beach, Florida. You know, it looks like a handcrafted candle. It's gorgeous. Look at all those, some people call them jimmies, some people call them sprinkles. We always call them sprinkles as kids. It smells fantastic. I want to eat it. It's a good thing I have those cookies because I'll need to eat some. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells fabulous. Oh my goodness, it smells so sweet. It smells so sweet and rich and buttery, like a birthday cake. Janet, thank you so much. That is so beautiful. It's beautiful. So when you're burning it, you'll be able to see that too. And it says happy birthday on it. Thank you, Janet. You're so sweet. You know, I'm so exuberant. I'm supposed to be doing a treasure hunt item, y'all, but I didn't stop halfway through because this is so much fun. Thank you so much, Janet. I have for you this VC. This is Vertical Collective is the brand. This was from Single Swag, and these are 2 chains, and I don't know the length because you can see I never took them out of this bag. I might have sort of tried to start to look at that and then realized it was going to be a lot of work to take it out, so I didn't. So I believe that they might be the same length. One is thin, one is thicker, as you can see. Beautiful gold. Of course, it's not real gold, you know, but it's by the brand Vertical Collective. So that is a bonus for the Christmas treasure hunt, if you're playing along with that. And Janet, thank you so much for thinking of me. This is beyond. Look at this, y'all. This everything I need to sit down and relax. I can have my coffee or my tea. I love tea also, and burn my candle and have some of these rich, delicious cookies. Thank you, Janet. She thought of everything for a lovely afternoon, y'all, or evening. Thank you, Janet, so much. I love you. And y'all, thanks for stopping by to see what I got and count your blessings. And I really do love y'all so much. And I hope you're enjoying the holiday season. Take care. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.